ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ವಿವಾ ಟೊಯೋಟಾದಲ್ಲಿ AGM ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿವಾ ಟೊಯೋಟಾ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, that is Mr. Ramkumar, CEO. We are proud to have you here in the showroom. It's been a decade that we have been associated with Rego.
Thank you, Shilpa. Since last 10 years, I purchased many vehicles in the Toyota. As you mentioned, our first primary is to be customer success. The safety is the must. We are also committed to the corporates. We want to bring the safety vehicles. Atithi Devo Bhava. We want to give the customers good services.
You made a right choice of buying Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder. Safety is the first thing which Toyota never wants to compromise on the cars. Thanks to you once again, sir, on behalf of the whole Viva Toyota management.